Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove volume Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll simplify your chart by hiding the volume bars, which can help you focus on price action and keep your workspace clean. We'll move step by step, keeping things clear and easy to follow. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app and signing in if prompted. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing a chart. Any symbol will work. The process is the same. If you see a set of vertical bars along the bottom of the chart, that's the volume study we're going to remove. Next, click directly on the chart to ensure it's active. This helps the platform know which window you're adjusting. Now look for the chart's settings. On most layouts, there's a small gear icon near the top of the chart area. If you don't immediately see it, hover your mouse around the chart header. The icon often appears there. The settings can also be labeled as chart settings in some views. Click the settings icon to open the chart configuration window. You'll see several tabs or sections along the top or side. Locate the equities section. This tab controls display preferences specific to stock charts, including whether volume is shown underneath the price graph. Within the equity section, find the option for volume. You should see a checkbox next to it. Uncheck the volume option. As soon as you do, you're telling Thinkorswim not to display the volume subgraph. This won't affect your data or your studies. It simply hides the volume bars so the price chart has more room and looks cleaner. To confirm the change, click OK. Depending on your layout, you might also see Apply and OK. Applying and then confirming will lock in the setting. Once you close the settings window, your chart should refresh with the volume bars removed. If the volume panel is still visible, double-check that you were adjusting the active chart and that the volume option remains unchecked in the Equities tab. A quick note for clarity: some chart layouts are template-based or duplicated across multiple panes. In those cases, this preference may need to be set per chart. That's normal. Just repeat the same process wherever you want volume hidden. And if you ever want the volume back, you can return to the same settings area and re-enable it. That's it. You've successfully removed volume in Thinkorswim, giving yourself a cleaner, more focused charting experience.